Useful tips to help deal with snoring. Snoring is a terrible sound that is produced during the sleep of many people. The sound itself is a warning for possible health problems that are likely to arise. There are a number of different techniques that can be used to stop snoring, some of them simpler than others. These techniques will be outlined in full detail in the video below. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. Your sleep position can greatly affect whether or not you will wind up snoring during sleep. Those who sleep on their backs tend to be more prone to snoring simply because that particular sleep position encourages relaxation of the throat, which can result in snoring. Try to sleep on your side, if possible, to help alleviate snoring. Taking sleeping pills can cause you to snore, but not taking them can reduce your snoring. One major effect that sleeping pills have is to relax muscles throughout your body. The muscles that keep your nasal passage open will lose their ability to do that, leading to a narrower nasal passage. This restricts your airflow and causes you to snore. Sleeping pills cause the throat muscles to collapse, limiting your airway at night. Although it's tempting, avoid sleeping pills if you suffer from insomnia. They cause snoring. Also avoid alcohol, tranquilizers or antihistamines right before bed. Find natural ways to relax before bed like meditation, relaxation techniques or warm milk. You will sleep more quietly without the aid of sleeping medications. As stated before, many people snore in their sleep. Snoring can be a precursor to health problems that can come in the future. There are different ways to stop snoring, with some being painfully simple. Use the information from this video to stop your snoring in its tracks and sleep peacefully. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.